Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this special unboxing. We got a lot to look at today and I'm going to try to get through it as quick as possible, but I do not want to miss a beat with this special gift that I got from Ringke. Huge shout out to them for giving me the opportunity to represent Review Kit. Ringke, live a better day, a special gift from us to you. For VIP, www.ringke.com is the website. That'll be down below in the description area. And with that, let's get into the box. I already opened it up right here just to cut a little bit of time. Thank you, dear my Project 13. Thank you so much for your continued support for Ringke. Here's your review package for the new iPhone 14 series. We hope you enjoy. You know it. I will definitely enjoy. And this isn't just about me. This is about everybody watching this video right now. Please share it on your social media. For those of you that have the iPhone 14 smartphone series, you got to have protection for your investment. So let's take that back here. We got a Ringke tempered glass screen protector. Not only will this tempered glass screen protector fit the iPhone 14 6.7-inch smartphone, it will fit the 13 Pro Max as well. High hardness, scratch resistance, maximum HD resolution, perfect touch precision, anti-chip with external force absorption. And a lot of other information on the back, so please read everything. And here we have another Ringke tempered glass premium screen protector, except for the fact that this is a privacy tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 14 Pro 6.7-inch smartphone. Two different options going on there.
Fusion Plus iPhone 14 Pro 6.7-inch Lime Glow. This guy is going to glow in the dark in the corner areas. We will have to turn off the lights for that. Here we have the Fusion X iPhone 14 Pro 6.7-inch Camo Black. Live a better day. The Air iPhone 14 Pro case. Here we have the Onyx. This guy right here is for the iPhone 14 Plus. You can tell because it's got a smaller cutout there for the camera area. This one as well, the Fusion X. Very nice, very nice. And here we have the Fusion Matte Clear for the iPhone 14 Plus. So we got 3 cases for the iPhone 14 Plus, and we have 3 cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and get that out of the box.
So what I'm going to do in this video is review these 3 cases right here for the iPhone 14 Plus. So stay tuned for the iPhone 14 Pro Max case reviews with the Ringke Fusion X Camo Black. Got the Air clear case there and the Fusion Plus Lime Glow case. Stay tuned for that video. All right, let's do this. We will be using a dummy replica device in this case review. So let's go ahead and get these cases out. Ringke accessories 20% off for your next purchase on Amazon. And there is a lot going on here. A lot of different products, accessories, 20% off. Just follow the instructions here on your next purchase. The link for Amazon will be down below in the description area. Do not pass this opportunity up. Okay, so we got the camo. Gives you instructions on how to remove the film. I try to cover as much detail in my case reviews. I know that there's a lot of YouTubers out there that don't. That's their style. I have my own. I just do these reviews in a way that I would like to see them. I want to know as much as possible. But again, that's just me. That's just the way I do it. Boy, that is nice. That feels really good. This is the Onyx Black. So if you have any questions, please ask down below in the comment section, because even with all the information that I share, I know I missed something. Okay, so same information going on here. Let's Let's go ahead and put that over there. And Ringke has made this a lot simpler with these tabs here, these pull tabs to remove. Look at that. That is nice, huh? That is nice. Hard plastic polycarbonate back. Yeah, that looks really nice. TPU sides, flexible. This one here is the matte clear. You can feel that matte back. Nice and grippy. Feels really, really good. So let's go ahead, the iPhone 14 Plus into the matte back here. Little wipe down. So let's get a good look at that cutout on the back. Lots of lip, lots of depth, protecting those two cameras, mic and flash. Yeah, that feels really, really nice. Man, those sides are super grippy. Yeah, you shouldn't have any issues with that cutout taking great quality pictures and shooting great quality video with all of these cases. Got the power button nicely covered up there. You have a couple little cutouts here for a lanyard. Ringke brand name there. Over at Amazon and over at Ringke, you'll be able to shop for a lot of different lanyards. You got a cutout right here for your speaker, cutout for your lightning charging port, and a cutout for the mic area. And on the other side, you could sport a lanyard there if you want. You can sport two lanyards. You have your volume rocker down and up, nicely covered up, and you have a huge cutout right there for the mute switch to mute the ringer. Up top, a receding area for the combo earpiece and speaker, and you have plenty of lip. Plenty of lip. Kind of comes up right here and goes across, then goes down a little bit, comes back up all the way across. So a lot more lip going on at the bottom and up top. A little bit less on the sides, but you still have lip there. You can feel the depth. Now, if you're sporting one of those screen protectors, then you're doing that much better as far as protecting that 6.7-inch OLED display. And I would definitely encourage that. Flat surface, a little bit rough, you'll be fine. Anything rougher than that, you better have that Ringke glass screen protector on there. On the back, because of the lip, you have a little bit of a lift right in here, which is really nice. Should protect those cameras. With a flat surface, a little rough. Anything beyond that, please use your discretion. Get a good look at that case. That is really, really nice. Nothing up top, but definitely a lot of grip. So if that's a question you're gonna ask, it's there. So let's head over to the Onyx. Oh man, I'm digging that. Look at that. Got those metal buttons there. Volume rocker down, up. Huge cutout for the mute switch there. Nothing up top. Sport a lanyard right there. Huge cutout for the speaker. Cutout for the lightning charging port. And a cutout there for the mic area. Lanyard. Lanyard. Ringke brand name. Ooh, I love that texture. Nice. On both sides. Look at that. That gives you the grip. That's a real important area to have on a case, especially for those of you that just can't seem to hold on to your smartphone. Yeah, Onyx black, matte finish on the back, feels really nice. Great texture, especially on these sides. Look at that. Yeah, that is nice. That is really, really nice. Up top, you have that receding area for the combo earpiece and speaker. Again, sport the screen protector. You do have a lot of lip, but with the screen protector, you have more protection. Especially if you're going to set it down on a surface that's a little too rough. Huge cutout for the camera area to protect those cameras. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Let me know what you think. And now, Oh yeah, the power button too has that metallic button there. Very nice. All right, the Fusion X Clear. Bam, I love that sound. Love that sound. Look at those reinforced corners. Right along the sides as well. Those little areas have a very nice texture and grip, just like the Onyx Black. It's the same thing. You can see it right there. Look at that. A little bit of a slope to those areas to sit nicely in your hand. Corner bumpers to absorb shock. Hard plastic polycarbonate back. Yeah, but I'm digging those reinforced corners. Very nice. Little wipe down. Gots to look good on video, whether it's the real thing or not. All right, volume rocker. Down, up. Those three little dots there, you can feel those. It's to allow you to feel the difference between the volume rocker down and up, which I'm digging. Cut out right there for the mute switch to mute the ringer. At the bottom, cut out right there for your speaker. Cut out for the lightning charger port. Cut out for your mic area. Lanyard and lanyard areas. Love that chiseled design right in here. Look at that. That looks really nice. Nice and sleek. And let's give the back a wipe down. Got fingerprints on the inside. What's nice about using a skin is that it takes away the ability to see all of the fingerprints. It's a trickery of the eyeballs. That's just something that I suggest, especially with these type of cases, but that's an option. Options are great. The Fusion X Black with clear back. Great looking sleek case. Here we have the Fusion Matte Clear. You can see that right there. Feels really, really nice. And we have the Onyx Black. Three different type of cases. Three different ways to protect your iPhone 14 Plus.